Welcome back to another video. I wanted to do a quick price update on the price of Jewel on Dex Screener and where I think the price might go next, depending on if we can cross certain levels. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Today is January 6th. You can see here my EMA levels with each one respective color. Last night we printed a red candle on the daily time frame, and we went all the way to touch the 9 EMA, and you could kind of like see it here, a doji candle, which represents an indecisive market or a reversal that might come soon. And you can see here before in December 30th another doji candle that indicates a market reversal, which indeed we did go uptrend. So you can see here that we've been kind of like uptrending above the 21 EMA on the daily time frame. If we measure the Fibonacci level of this retrace right here, you can see that we broke the 161 Fibonacci zone, and then we went to the 261 Fibonacci zone. We couldn't exactly close above it, okay? And we retraced down back to the 161 Fibonacci zone again. One thing about Fibonacci, which I like to use a lot because the market tends to respect Fibonacci levels. So we went down and we touched the 161 Fibonacci zone, and then we retraced back up again, right? Right now, we need to break this level, or we need to close above this level in order to go to the next level. So let me show you what I mean. So this candle right here, this red candle, this bearish candle right here, you could see the 618 level, all right, 0.5, 618, and how we couldn't, still trying to break out of this level in order for us to go to the next higher 161 Fibonacci level. So if we can close above this orange line or this resistance zone here, then we'll uptrend to the next 161 level, which is between 25.8 and 24.34, okay? If we can close, bullish close, if we can close today above this candle. If we can close above the 618 level or the previous 2618 Fibonacci level, then we'll go to the next Fibonacci zone, which is right here. So that'll be like your next resistance level right here. So let me just mark it down, right? And the 2618 zone is what if we don't close above this candle? How far can we retrace down? So we actually touched the 0.5 level. We didn't touch the 0.618 level on the daily time frame. So the Fibonacci level of this pump here, the retrace zone would be here in this zone right here. Okay, which we had touched. Now, since Jewel, it runs on the Harmony blockchain, so it correlates with the Harmony price movement. So if Harmony goes up, we're more likely, Jewel also more likely to go up, and vice versa, right? When we retrace down under this this trend line right here, Jewel also retraced down, which was this candle. Today we managed to go back up. You could see an engulfing green candle or blue candle, right? Which is a good sign that it might go higher high. So depending on how this candle closes, it will kind of decide whether we can break this level or not. We're getting a lot of buy orders in Jewel because of the upcoming expansion in the future. So a lot of people are buying Jewel to be eligible for the airdrop. So that's obviously creating a lot of influx in the price, and it's pushing it upwards, which makes sense. Okay, so like I said earlier on the macro view, we are in an uptrend. So overall, it's a long play. If I dive down to a lower time frame, just to kind of like see where we probably can go. So we broke down, we touched the 50 EMA, which is the yellow line. Okay, and we also touched the 2618 Fibonacci level, which is the 0.5 level in the daily time frame. And we are actually back above the 1618. We might just retrace down to the 21 EMA, which is this level at 19.50, and go back higher. So something maybe like this to the next level, right? 24. Honestly, it depends if we can break through that green line. I know for a fact then if we can actually close above this green line, then we are gonna touch this level here. But I know there's a lot of traffic going into Jewel right now because it's trending and because of the expansion news. If we retrace down, where can you buy? That's where a lot of people bought. They bought at the 2618 level or the 21 EMA. This might be a good level to buy if we come back down here, but just seeing how one is creating this engulfing candle, I think it's going to break through. But again, take everything with a grain of salt. This is not a financial advice. I'm just speculating here, giving my opinion. If we can break this level here, then we will do higher high. If we cannot, however, then we might retrace down to the 21 EMA level here at 17.29. Also, one play that might happen is, so that's one play that already happened. Another play is this guy here, which is going back again to the 21 EMA on the daily time frame, which was the last resistance line. We never actually retested it. So, you know, usually resistance line turn into support. You break out of it, test, becomes support. So previous resistance becomes the new support. And we never actually tested that level. We just kept going up. So this might be one scenario at $15.24. So yeah, that was everything for this video. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments. If you feel like this video was helpful, let me know. Peace.